Hey guys, it's Shauna. Welcome back to my channel. So before I start, I know you can tell my hair is a little different. I went red. It was literally the spur of the moment decision. Yeah, so if you guys have been following my social media, you guys have probably known that for a while. So yeah, anyways, besides that, just want to give you a little update. I'm going to be doing this month's Boxycharm unboxing, and this is for the month of March. I know it's a little late. I got it late, so as soon as I got this in the mail, I wanted to do an unboxing right away. I was actually in the middle of getting ready, but I received this package, so I just wanted to show you guys what I got this month. Alright, so this month's theme is vacation, and this is like the cutest card ever. So that's the theme. And the first thing I see in this box is this Pure Cosmetics. I think it's like a Boxycharm collab eyeshadow palette, and this is so gorgeous. So it looks like this. It's such a versatile palette. Let's see the swatches for these. And it's like absolutely hella pigmented. I can't wait to do looks with these. So definitely stay tuned onto my channel and also my Instagram page as well, because that's where I usually post my looks and when I just do like looks on a whim. So definitely check my Instagram out for looks. So yeah, this is the first item, and this one retails for, let's see, this one retails for $36. And I'm just gonna swatch this on my hand for you to see. And it's so beautiful. The blue, I could do so many looks with this. I can't wait. Alright, and the next item I'm just going to grab out of the box is the South Main 3 Eye Gel Pack. So it looks like this. This one seems to be like a 3-day thing, so you put them on for 3 consecutive days, and then it reduces puffiness and dark circles, which I need that lately because I haven't been able to sleep and my eyes are just puffy from like the lack of sleep and also allergies. So this one will be very helpful. And this one retails for $10 right over here. Alright, and the next item I'm actually really excited about. This one is the Butter London Double Decker Lashes Mascara. I am a huge fan of mascara. I used to hate mascara because like I never had lashes. I always wore falsies, but I've been using a lash serum lately, so I actually do have a little bit of lashes to actually make mascara useful, you know? So this one says 200% thicker lashes and 314% increases in lash curls. So I can't wait. I absolutely love like the volumizing types of mascara more than lengthening. So this one retails for $20. Alright, so I have 2 more things in this box. The next item is this Vintage Cosmetics Company Smoky Eye Brush Set, and I'm all about eyeshadow brushes, makeup brushes. I love it. Like I swear there's never enough. And I think I'm going to have to like declutter my brushes since I do have super old ones I should probably throw away and then just bring in the new ones here. So I'm just going to open this box up. And it seems to be like a trio. We have a shadow brush right here, an angled brush, and also a smudger brush. And smudger brushes are like my favorite, especially for applying eyeshadow underneath the lash line. Let's see. Ooh, and these are like very soft too. I can't wait to use these. And these brushes retail for $23.15. So that's that. And the final item in this box is the Pretty Vulgar Make Them Blush and Prim Vixen, which is this beautiful hot pink blush. I don't know if I'll ever use it on myself. It seems very cool to very hot pink. Let's just give this a swatch right over here. Yeah, this is like very hot pink. So if you can see like that, I don't know if I'll be using it, but the formula seems very creamy. I might be passing this on to a friend, but the packaging, it looks so luxe. I love it. Absolutely gorgeous. And this one retails for $26. So that's about it for this month's Boxycharm. I'm just going to calculate everything up real quick. So this month's box totaled for $115.15, which is again awesome. I say this every single time I do a Boxycharm unboxing. You're paying $20 a month for a box of literally full-size products, and some of the brands you probably never even heard of, but at the same time I love that. Like I love trying new things. I love trying new products because it's usually things I don't buy on a regular basis or I don't like see all the time. I hope you guys liked this video. If you guys would like to subscribe to Boxycharm, the link is down below for all the sign up information. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye!